Okay, so here we're gonna have a little bit of fun. Back in the time when they made the older movies, back in the way back, usually before 1960, if you looked at the copyright on the film, it would always be in Roman. It was always kind of fun to try to figure out what year it was, by translating the Roman into Arabic, right? So what I've done here is we've got a collection of all the Kevin Bacon films. He's only starring in like a million different films. And what we want to do is take the year that we see this and convert it into Roman, all right? Again, a lot of you are never going to use this, all right? But it's just a fun thing. It's available in Excel. We'll just see what it does, all right? So we'll go ahead and hit equal, all right? And you type in RO for Roman. And there it is, right? And we just click on to the number that we want to convert, comma, and then just tell it that you want to go with classic. There's variations of how the Roman looks. Most of them are pretty much the same except for something here and there. But overall, this would be the most common one to go with, right? Hit enter. There it goes. So that would be that in there. Now what I can do here too is I'll click onto here, which is my Courier font. That's what it's formatted as. I'll hit my little format painter, click onto here, and that way it gets spread out a little bit more so you can read a little bit better there. I always like the Courier font. It's very easy to read. And we'll just go ahead and double click that down, and there you go on that one. So pretty wild. I mean, this is pretty wild here. This one, that's pretty long for 1988. My God, can you imagine? We still use Roman. I'll show you one more here. If we do like an equal RO, and we'll go with our Roman, and we'll refer to the year again, comma, and let's say we go with the simplified. Okay, so what the simplified is it kind of cuts us down a little bit. I think the movies were done in classic, all right? I can't remember, but anyway, so we go with simplified, number 4 here, all right? Enter that one in, and I'll format it real quick. So I'll just click over here, hit my painter, click onto that, and we'll copy that down. So there you go on that one. So I don't know. It might look simplified, so I guess in some place it is simplified. Okay, so in any event though, there you go. I doubt if any of you will use this. Some of you might. It's a fun thing. What the heck? It'd be kind of interesting if you had to do a presentation and you converted all your numbers into Roman, just as a little icebreaker, Anyway, so hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I appreciate you watching. Take care.